सर झालं रेडी रे सर आयज तुमचे बिट्स रेडी रे हिरू आयज तुमचे बिट्स प्लॅनिंग इन्स्टिट्यूटान एक सुमार अंदाजे 24 स्टुडंट्स पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्या अशी बातमी आयकूंक येता. कितें अशें जालें सर आनी कितें आतां सद्या कितें मेजर्स तुमी घेतलेलो आसा?
Actually, also news Elata is based on the order that has been issued by the Deputy Collector to us. But before that order was issued, our campus response team had already decided based on the numbers that we had yesterday, 24. And after that 24 positive cases, 8 more samples have been sent for testing. So reports are awaited of those 8. So we had already decided to continue our classes online, which were in offline mode, and cancel all the events and gatherings which were supposed to be held over here. So after receiving the order, the health authorities are already in the campus, and the primary contacts and secondary contacts sample testing is going on presently in the campus. So situation is under control.
सध्या कितले तुमचे स्टुडंट्स आसा म्हणजे इन्स्टिट्यूटान? अराउंड हाऊ मेनी स्टुडंट्स आर देर?
So आता आमच्याकडे around 2800 students आसा campusan who are there since February, and students are still coming, reporting back to campus. So those are coming in batches, individual isolation जाता जेन्ना येता तेन्ना, आणि all students actually occupy individual rooms. So फक्त online classes जे चालू असलेले those also we have now converted into online mode.
सर केन्ना अशी तुमकां न्यूज कळ्ळी की स्टुडंट्स तुमचे 24 सुमार पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्या म्हणून? हाऊ वॉज वेन डिड इट स्टार्ट एक्चुअली?
So it started about 2-3 days ago, and that's when we started to test the students as per our protocol. And yesterday that number reached to 24. So the strike rate is not that high if you compare it with the number of students present in the campus presently. And today we are hoping that the positive cases will not be there, because now whatever number of cases that we tested are over. So other students are not really primary and secondary contacts, but those we are just thinking whoever must have come in contact with these students, we are getting them also tested.
So condition किती भुरग्यांचे सर आता जे पॉझिटिव्ह होते?
Out of 2800 plus students, only 9 students are with single vaccination. Remaining all students are fully vaccinated. So आणि जितले बी आता केसीस मेळ्ळ्या पॉझिटिव्ह, दे आर ऑल माइल्ड सिम्पटम्स, आणि वी हॅव आवर ओन मेडिकल सेंटर टीम which reviews the individual students and the situation.
तर तुमचा येदो व्हडलो कॅम्पस आसा, भरपूर स्टुडंट्स भायल्यान बी ट्रॅव्हल करता हांगा, म्हणजे फ्रॉम वेरियस स्टेट्स. यू थिंक द सोर्स इज कम फॉर ड्यू टू ट्रॅव्हलिंग हिस्ट्री, और तुमचो अंदाज कितें आसा?
आय डोंट थिंक ट्रॅव्हलिंग इज द इश्यू, बिकॉज आमची ऑफलायन एक्झाम जेन्ना मार्च बिगिनिंगाक स्टार्ट जाली तेच्या पयलीं ऑलमोस्ट स्टुडंट्स हॅव स्टार्टेड टू कम टू कॅम्पस टू आन्सर दॅट एक्झाम ऑफलायन. ऑफलायन एक्झाम्स वेर ओवर बाय सेकंड वीक ऑफ मार्च, मिड थर्ड वीक ऑफ मार्च, and thereafter we started with the offline classes also. And now from today onwards again we are going back to the online classes.
आता इतके केसी मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत की गायडलायन्स घातल्या भुरग्यां खातीर जावं स्टाफा खातीर अशें कितें?
Events, get togethers कितें आसा ऑफिशियल और इवन अनऑफिशियल आर कॅन्सल्ड. ऑफलायन क्लासीस जेन्ना क्लासरुमान भुरगे एकठांय जाता ते आमी आतां बंद केले. इट इज कम्प्लिटली ऑनलायन, आणि दॅट्स ऑल. एंड टेस्टिंग.
आता जे भुरगे पॉझिटिव्ह आहा तांकां तुमी क्वॉरंटायन करून दवरल्या काय? दे आर इन द कॅम्पस और आउट?
They are in the campus in their individual rooms. So medical team is taking care of them as far as reviewing them is concerned. मागीर ते भायर येवपाक जायना म्हणून फूड सप्लाय आणि हे सगळें आमी सिस्टमॅटीक करतात.
मास टेस्टिंग जातली सर स्टुडंट्साची सगळ्यांची?
ना, सगळ्या स्टुडंट्सांक टेस्ट करपाची गरज ना, because there are no symptoms reported to the medical center yet.
As of now
there is nothing.
Any instructions
today
from-
there is no symptom reported to the medical center.
So any instructions from deputy collector or authority side sir?
जे तेंच्यांनी आमकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्या, which included offline to online classes आणि cancellation of events, which we had already decided just before we received the order from the deputy collector.
सर एज पर HDM ऑर्डर इट वॉज मेन्शन की सगळ्यांक थर्मल स्कॅनिंग करून भितर सोडटा. आर दोज रूल्स बीइंग फॉलोड एट युअर गेट? एवरीबडी इज चेक्ड थर्मली?
Yesterday evening we were not doing it before, obviously, because it was not required. But since yesterday evening, after we received the orders, all the guidelines that are issued to us are being followed.
सो इतले दीस केसीस भरपूर कमी आशिल्ल्यो बट इट इज समवेअर स्टार्टेड नाव यू थिंक कितें टेन्शन सिट्युएशन अशें आसा बिकॉज देर इज लॉट ऑफ पॅनीक अराउंड की 24 भुरग्यांक जालें सो असो बोवाळ जाल्लो
म्हाका
आसा
दिसता see all the students are fully vaccinated students, so there are no serious effects as such on their health. आणि आमी कितें करता, we actually go beyond. Even those who don't report symptoms but are expected to have come in contact with these cases, we check them. And those we do even before we receive guidelines from government or orders from government. So we are very proactive as far as that is concerned. So we will ensure that it will not spread over. So आम्ही staff control सगळे measures implement
सो
केले
एज ऑफ नाव द हेल्थ टीम इज ऑलरेडी इनसाइड द कॅम्पस
So,
CHC Kurtalim teams are already there inside. 2 places they have identified where they are checking students.
so total how many students you are seeing?
2,800 plus.
Thank you,
Not
sir.
more than 2,900.
थँक्यू सर थँक्यू
Welcome.
थँक्यू